to drive in my van. Boom boom chicka chicka boom boom chicka chicka boom boom. Loads of room. Kentucky Fried Chicken. Kentucky Fried Chicken. I am not moving again anytime soon. Well, this is it. Today is moving day. So welcome back to the channel, Tatsters. My name's Robjohns. This is Retro Reselling, and I usually have a full-time business working from a storage unit in a storage warehouse. But like I said, today's moving day. This is at the bottom of my garden now. 15 by 10 metal shed, spray foam insulation with a bit of foil insulation over the top, insulation board, damp-proof membrane, 18mm chipboard flooring. It's basically ready to go. The only thing I need to do is run power down here and get a dehumidifier and a heater down here. Once them two things are done, it's fully ready to go. But let's not dilly-dally. I don't want to be paying another £400 a month. And yeah, this is the last weekend before it ticks over to another £400 for another month. So I'm not paying that anymore. Today's moving day. I've hired a van, the biggest I've ever driven, so that's a bit nerve-wracking. I've hired like transit vans before, like box vans, but this is like a proper worker's van, one my dad used to have when he was self-employed. Exciting and nerve-wracking at the same time. Hopefully I don't play bumper cars with it, but should be good. Bought a couple back home throughout the week when I was like picking orders, and then I had some room in the car, so I brought these back. So just less to do. First plan is to bring all the racking back first, just so then I can set them out how I want, and then I don't have to keep moving boxes all the time. If I was to bring all the boxes back, it would be in the way of the racking. So yeah, racking first, and my workstation I'm gonna have on this end, get that in, and then get all the boxes. Hopefully I've got enough boxes to box everything up instead of everything being loose. So that'll be a bit of a pain. So yeah, it's 8:30 now. I've had my breakfast, I'm fully ready. Dad's here to help me with the move. So let's get to Chelmsford van hire and pick up the van for the day and get moving. I've got a collection, dual dross. Here we go. Ooh. So I was getting a bigger van anyway, but they've actually let me have, for the same price, the slightly longer wheeled version. So I've gone from the biggest van I've ever driven to an even bigger one. Fun times. It's a big one, but it definitely will help me out. Well, might be able to do it in 2 trips, if that. There's a lot of space at the back there. So yeah, let's get the engine on. Handbrake's on my right down here, so I've got to get used to that. Let's whack the old engine on. Here we go. Ooh. Just felt the testosterone go through my veins, turning the van on. Cool. Right, see you at the unit. I'm off. Second. Out of the way, everyone. That's not too bad to drive, actually. Can get used to this. I like to drive in my van. Boom boom chicka chicka boom boom chicka chicka boom boom. The wipers are on. I don't know how to turn them off. I think that's it. It's not as scary as I thought it would be, actually. Doing all right. And we're nearly at the unit. It's the first trip done. Boom boom chicka chicka boom boom. Here we are, turning into Big Yellow. Now I just got to reverse it. That'll be fun. Successful journey. I've done it. I'm a man. Quality bit of parking, I say. Oh. There we go. Look how much room you got. Loads of room. First load, ready to go in the van. I've got 2 loads of the big trolleys. That's made a decent dent. It's gonna be a long day. Turn, turn. First lot of racking out the door. Fitting 2 at a time. It'll take a couple of trips, but the harder side is going to be when we get back home, when we haven't got trolleys and we've got to go through the house, because I might have blocked up the alleyway with my shed. Oh, no pain, no gain. First fan load done. It doesn't look like much. We've made a bit of a mess. This is all unlisted stuff. I've got so much unlisted stock, it's unbelievable. I didn't realise it was this much. So I've got to crack on before boot sale start again. Otherwise it'll just get worse and worse, but yeah, made a nice dink. Hopefully do it in 2 trips. Oh, it's getting exciting. Here we go, first few rackings are in. Ooh. It's become a reality. Good stuff. I forgot. So round 1 complete. So they're looking a bit cramped, but it's not where the final positionings will be. Got a whole other aisle there. I'm hoping to have this middle aisle like permanently, which will be handy. Bit of space on top. Loads of racking. Awesome. Back in the van. Or lunchtime. Kentucky Fried Chicken. Kentucky Fried Chicken. Kentucky Fried Chicken. Get me some Kentucky Fried Chicken. Chicken. Oh. Chicken. Oh. Get there. Done it. Just got unloaded now.
Much later.
I am not moving again anytime soon. We're about 20 minutes, half an hour away max until the end. Very overwhelming. We're in darkness. All the lights are on. And all the space is going. Woo. But just, I've got to bear in mind I haven't used much of the shelving at all. Tomorrow is proper sorting out day. Whew.
Later.
And within the darkness, it is done. Moving day, 99% done. The only thing I've got to do is get my packing cardboard, but I'm not really sure where it would go right now. Holy moly. Come around the corner. Wow. Overwhelming is an understatement. That's it for today. I'm going to shut the doors, forget about it until tomorrow. Luckily, fingers crossed, I think it's not going to rain. So I've got all day tomorrow to sort it out properly. Like I said, it looks a massive mess, which it is, but hardly any of the shelving's been utilised properly because it's not in its final position. and during moving, a couple of the shelving like racks fell off and they got put on wonky. So yeah, I'm gonna do that and then just slowly make my way, sorting out all the shelves, and it should look good. There'll be a bit of a backlog because I do not need to do any buying until boot sales start in March. There's far too much backlog for me. Stuff I haven't seen since the summer. Like this Jump Jockey JJ300. I remember that being in a video back in summer, probably the back end of summer. I haven't seen it till today. So God knows how much money's tied up and unlisted. So now it's back at home. Once it's all sorted out, I just come out in the garden, crack on. Don't have to worry about being dropped off, getting ready, get my lunch, get a drink, keep watching the time. It'll just be all here at the back of the house. I am absolutely knackered. I'm going to leave you. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. See ya.